As you can see right here on the screen, this is a 500 USDT position airdrop that you can get as an existing user on Bybit right now. And you can see right here, you have the next 6 days for you to be able to claim this airdrop for yourself. And I'll be showing you all the details in this video, everything you need to know, the tasks you need to complete to get this airdrop, how to get this airdrop, and also how to make money with this airdrop. I'll be showing you everything you need to know in this video. Now you can see it says users registered under affiliate ID 41557 stand a chance to receive a position airdrop. So this is actually my own affiliate ID. Now what does this mean? Now this means that for every existing Bybit user that has registered with my own affiliate ID or through my affiliate link, they stand a chance to actually claim this 500 USDT position airdrop. So that's the first thing. So it means that you must be registered with my referral link, which is in the description below. So if you have not registered through my referral link, go ahead and register with the link in the description below. And for those of you that created your own Bybit account with my referral link or my affiliate ID, then you don't need to create another account. Just continue watching this video. And you can see the second sentence says choose from SPCX USDT, TSLA USDT, AAPL USDT, and AMZN USDT. Now, what does this mean? Now, you see, for this 500 USDT position airdrop, you have to complete a task for you to be able to do it. Now, once you complete that task, by the way, I'll be telling you the details of the task as we go on in this video. Now, like I was saying, once you complete that task, you'll be given this 500 USDT position airdrop. Now, this 500 USDT position airdrop, you cannot withdraw it. What you have to do is to use it to trade any of these 4 pairs right here. So you have SPCX USDT, TSLA USDT, AAPL USDT, and AMZN USDT. Now, all of these are under the Trade 5 trading page on Bybit. I'll be showing you how to trade it right here in this video, even though I already have a video on that. But for the sake of those that are watching me for the first time, I'll be showing you how to trade that in this video. So you go ahead and use this 500 USDT to trade any of these 4 pairs, and whatever profit you make from that is what you can withdraw for yourself. So let's say, for example, you trade with this 500 USDT airdrop and you make, let's say, $100. You can withdraw the $100 for yourself. So if you want to take part in this, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link in the description below. Once you click on that link, come here to where you have register to claim. So click on register to claim right there. And then you can see where it says already have an account login. So if you already have an account which you created through my own referral link, just click on this login right here and go ahead and log into your Bybit account. But in case you just want to create an account with my referral link, just come here and enter your country. Then once you enter your country, click on create account right here, and then you can come here and enter your email address. That is the email address you want to use to create the Bybit account. And then make sure that you are seeing 41557 right here, because this is what will make sure that you are eligible to get this 500 USDT airdrop for yourself. And then once you've seen that, just come here and click on create account, and your account is created. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and complete the airdrop task. Now, before I go ahead and show you the details of the airdrop task you have to complete, please, if you're a new user on Bybit, let's say, for example, you don't have an account yet, you can actually claim more than 500 USDT. So in my previous video, I talked about how new users on Bybit can get up to 1000 USDT position airdrop. And here it is right here on the screen. So you can see it's 1000 USDT position airdrop for new users registered under this affiliate ID, which is also my affiliate ID. So if you're a new user and you want to get more than this 500 USDT, just please go ahead and watch my previous video. I also put the link in the description below. And for the 1000 USDT, you have up to 46 days left for you to get that. So please, this is only for new users. But if you're an existing user on Bybit, it is the 500 USDT position airdrop you will be getting. So let's go ahead and see the airdrop process. So you can see the airdrop process right here. So you can see right here, the first thing is to complete the airdrop task in rewards up. So what this means is that once you click the link in the description below and it brings you to this page and you click on register to claim and you've logged in already, just go ahead to the rewards up in your Bybit account to see the task you have to complete, and then go ahead and complete that task. But in case you don't know how to get to your rewards up in your Bybit account, here is how to do it. If you're using the web version just like the one I'm using, whether on your laptop, just come here to the top of the screen where you have this menu bars and click on more. So under more, you say you have rewards up. So if you click on rewards up, you'll be able to see the tasks you have to complete to get this airdrop voucher for yourself. But let's say, for example, you are using your mobile app. Let me also show you how to get to the rewards up page. So you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of my Bybit app. So I'm logged in on the app right now. So if you want to get to your rewards up page, let's say for example you're a new user and you've logged in into the mobile app, just come here on the home page. You see you have rewards up. It will be in one of these menus right here on the home page. So this is my own here. It is the first one. And in case you are not seeing your own right there, in case you are not seeing rewards up right there, just come here to where you have more. So click on more right here. And then if you come here under recommended, you will see where you have rewards up. So just click on it and it will take you to the rewards up page where you will see the tasks you have to complete. So that is how to get your rewards up page, whether you're using the mobile app version or the web version. Now, once you've gotten to the rewards up page, you will see the tasks you have to complete. So go ahead and complete that task. Now, what is this task you have to complete? Now, you can see right here on the screen, it simply says trade $1,000 in trade 5 volume and receive a free 500 trade 5 position. That's 500 USDT trade 5 positions. Now, calm down. I'm sure some of you might be thinking, oh, where will I see $1,000 from? No, you are not directly trading $1,000. You can get this $1,000 trading volume with just $50, with just even $10, with $20, with $100. You can get it. Now, let me show you how to do that before we go to the next thing. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, I'm on the Bybit app again. So let me show you how to go to the trade 5 page and how to trade with just $50, $100 and get your $1,000 trading volume in just one trade. Let me show you. So the first thing is to come here to the bottom side of the screen and click on trade 5. So you can see right here, it has its own page separately. So just click on trade 5 right there. Now, once you get to this page, make sure you are on futures, not CFD, please. So this is CFD, this is futures. Make sure you're on futures. And then if you remember, you can see right here on the screen, it says choose from any of these 4 pairs. So you have SPCX USDT, TSLA USDT, AAPL USDT, and AMZN USDT. So these are the only 4 pairs that you must trade for you to be eligible for that. So please don't forget, don't go and trade any other pair outside this 4. So let's for example, I want to trade TSLA USDT, which is Tesla. Let me just go back and show you on the mobile app. So you can see right here on the screen, it is even TSLA USDT that I have there. But let's say for example, it is not there. Just click on this drop down arrow beside it and then come here and search for the pair you want to trade. So let's say for example, what you want to trade is, let's say for example, you want to trade AAPL, which is Apple, AAPL USDT. This is it right here. So it is one of the 4 pairs that you can trade. The other one, you have Amazon, which is AMZN. That's for Amazon. This is it right here. And then for Tesla, which is what I want to use, which is TSLA right there. So you can see it right there. So just go ahead and search for it and click on it. And it will bring you to this page. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead to do is to come here to where you have this leverage. Now, it is this leverage that will determine how much you need to drop for this trade so that you can get the $1,000 trading volume. So let's for example, I come here, if you click on it, you have from 1x to 100x. Now, let's for example, I pick, let's say 10x leverage. Just click on 10 and then click on save. And then come here to where you have order value. This order value, what you just need to put right there is 1,000. That's the only thing you just need to enter right there. Just put 1,000. Now, it does not that you're trading with $1,000. What you're actually trading with is your cost. So you can see you have cost here. You can see it says $100.73. That's $100. So it basically means that you are trading with $100. But if you trade with $100 at 10x leverage, this is the trading volume you are getting. So this order value or your trading volume is calculated by using your leverage multiplied by your cost or amount you are dropping. I hope you get it. Or you can just say your trading volume divided by your leverage is what will give you the cost you want to use. So I hope you get that calculation. So you can also use $5, $20, any amount. You just need to increase your leverage. So let's for example, I change my leverage to, let's say 20x. Let me just put it to 20x right there. So come here and click on save. And then you can see right here on the screen, I have 20x leverage. And you can see the cost has changed to $50. So it means that you just need to drop $50 for this trade. And then once you drop it and you enter this trade, you will get your 1,000 trading volume instantly. It's as simple as that. So you're not trading with $1,000 directly. So please, for those of you that want to ask me that question, I believe I have answered it. So let me just show you another one. Let's, for example, I decide to go with, let's say 50x leverage, even though it is too high. But let's say I want to use 50x leverage. I'll just click on save right there. And you can see the cost is just $21. So with just $21 of your own money, you get your $1,000 trading volume, and then you go ahead and get your 500 USDT position airdrop. So right there is how you can complete your airdrop task of getting $1,000 trading volume right there. It is as simple as that. And once you get the trading volume, you can go ahead and claim the airdrop voucher in your rewards app. So I already showed you how to get your rewards app. So just go back there and you'll be able to see the airdrop voucher of 500 USDT. So go ahead and claim it. Now, once you claim it, the next thing is to use the airdrop voucher on trading page. So what does this mean? This means that once you get the airdrop voucher, go back on the TradeFi trading page and trade any of these 4 pairs too. So these are the 4 pairs you can trade. Don't forget. So once you trade any of those 4 pairs, then the next thing is to actually take profit. So let's say, for example, you make profits, then those profits are withdrawable. So if you trade with this $500 USDT position airdrop and you make, let's say, $100, $200, any amount you make, you can actually withdraw that money for yourself. So that's for the airdrop process. Now, the most important part, which is the terms and conditions. This one is very, very important. And please, I want you to listen to this part of this video very well, because these are some reasons why you might not be getting your position airdrop. So please pay attention to this part. Now, number 1 right here says the position airdrop will be unlocked after completing the airdrop task in rewards app. So this basically means that you need to complete the task first before you go ahead and get the rewards in the rewards app. Now, number 2 says position airdrops are limited and given out on a first come first served basis within 5 days of completing the airdrop task. So what does this mean? This means that after you've completed your airdrop task, you need to wait for up to 5 days for you to get the airdrop voucher in the rewards app. So let's say, for example, you get the $1,000 trading volume today. Just wait for the next 5 days and go back to your rewards app and you'll be seeing the reward right there. And again, it is given out on a first come first served basis. But like I said, you still have up to 6 days left, so you can still take part in this. And number 3 says 1 position airdrop per account per event. So what this basically means is that you cannot use multiple accounts to get this position airdrop, just 1 account. And number 4 says sub accounts are not eligible for this event. So you don't need any sub account. Just go ahead, click on the link in the description below, come to this page, click here to register to claim, then go ahead and log in into your account. It's as simple as that. Don't go ahead to create any sub account. Now, number 5 says Bybit reserves the right to disqualify any users who engage in dishonest or abusive activities during the event. So things like you can see bulk account registrations and so on like that. So if you are caught doing any of this, you will be disqualified from this position airdrop. And number 6 says Bybit reserves the right to final interpretation of the position airdrop event. And number 7 says position airdrop vouchers can only be used in isolated margin mode. So what this means is that once you are trading with this 500 USDT position airdrop, you should be using the isolated margin mode, not cross margin mode. Very important. And number 8 is that starting December 30, 2024, EEA users will no longer be able to register for event or receive rewards. So if you are part of any of these EEA countries, so you can see these countries listed right here, you will not be able to get this position airdrop for yourself. And these are mostly European countries right there. So just go ahead and check if your country is there. It means you are not eligible for this. So that is everything you need to know about this position airdrop. Again, it is simple and straightforward. Just click on the link in the description below and come here, click on register, log in, and then go ahead and complete the task I just showed you. Again, you are not trading directly with $1,000. Just use maybe $20, $50 and use the right leverage and get your $1,000 trading volume, and then you get this position airdrop. It is as simple as that. And don't forget, if you're a new user, you can get up to $1,000 position airdrop. For this one, you still have up to 46 days left to get this. So for new users, go ahead and watch my previous video. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.